My name is Monica Luke, member of the CLM Solution Delivery Team. In this video, we'll be exploring how to improve time to delivery using real-time planning. Having visibility into a single plan across a team that spans requirements, development, and test ensures everyone on the team understands the overall status. In addition, integrated plans ensure everyone on the team knows what tasks are in progress or next, and real-time status keeps everyone aligned to know when they are done. The transparency provided by real-time planning allows team to respond and assess impact when the unexpected happens, as it invariably does. Planning begins with a requirements collection, which defines the content for a release as specified by stakeholders. We link our release plan and our test plan to the requirements collection to ensure all team members across disciplines have visibility into the release. We have 3 current plans: a traditional product backlog, a release backlog for the current release, and a current sprint plan. Opening the release plan, we can see that planning is as easy as dragging and dropping a plan item from the release plan into the sprint plan. Prioritizing work is as easy as dragging and dropping items into the ordered list and setting priority in place on the plan. By including ranking in the planning process, the team is assured that they are working on the most important items first and aligning with the high priority business needs as defined by the stakeholders. Real-time planning keeps the cross-functional team aligned with the business objectives as defined by stakeholders. Here, we are updating the release plan based on a new requirement resulting from a recent stakeholder review and tracking the work across disciplines. First, we will check our requirements collection to see if there are any new requirements. We discover a new requirement, and the plan item is created and automatically linked to the requirement. This feature ensures the development team is always aligned with the needs of the business. Plans have several out-of-the-box views. By default, the traceability view is designed to help identify gaps across disciplines. However, views are also very easy to customize. Here we will change the view to show execution items so that we can easily decompose our new work across the disciplines. Now that we have our plan item which relates to the existing requirement, we want to track the work associated with the delivery of the feature across various team disciplines. In order to do this, we will create tasks for the analyst, requesting further elaboration of the requirement, the development, tracking the implementation of the new requirement, and the tester, tracking the creation of test cases to test the new requirement. Note that the developer and tester are dependent on the analyst completing the elaboration. Improving time to delivery includes knowing what work needs to be done, which in turn improves predictability. Since the analyst needs to complete elaboration of the requirement before development or test can even estimate their work, let's update the requirement elaboration work item to block the others. We can do this and assign ownership right from our plan and immediately see the impact. These real-time planning capabilities mean that with a minimum amount of effort by team members, the status of the release is visible to everyone. There are no hidden surprises, and team awareness of dependency builds a culture of collaboration. When a team member sees their work is blocking the work of others, they naturally do the right thing. This positive train improves the team's ability to deliver on time. We've seen an overview of planning. Now let's take a look at how the team has visibility into the work in progress, completed, and remaining using task boards. The analyst has noticed that elaborating the details of the requirement is blocking the other tasks and quickly decides to do this work right away to unblock his teammates. The analyst is able to update estimates and work progress without changing views. Now let's transition to the view of the tester, who notices the work item on his dashboard and sees that the requirements work has been completed. The tester sets his work to in progress when he starts to elaborate the test case. Just as we could synchronize our release plan to the requirements collection to create new plan items, we can synchronize our test plan to the requirements collection to create new test cases. The tester opens the current test plan and creates the necessary test case automatically through this synchronization feature. At this point, the tester would elaborate the details of the test case and the test script. Imagine that work has been completed, and so we'll go ahead and update the work item and close it. The task board now shows that both the analyst and the tester have completed their tasks. Recall that as the analyst, we updated the task using drag and drop, while as the tester, we updated the work item directly. Each user works in their own style, but data is updated in real time with visibility to everyone on the team. We've seen some of the benefits of how real-time planning improves time to delivery, including see the whole team's dependencies and progress against project tasks, enable the ability to react quickly to gaps and unexpected project changes, including delays, requirement changes, etc. We've taken a look at some of the features that facilitate real-time planning, including in-place decomposition of plan items that involve multiple disciplines, in-place estimation, ranking, and resource balancing, plan views that facilitate everyone on the team understanding the work and its status, ways in which linking artifacts facilitates visibility, and immediate updates to status in the course of doing work without any additional burden. Some things to consider when evaluating the value of real-time planning for your organization are whether your team can plan across the entire team, plan for waterfall, iterative, and agile environments, integrate planning with execution, and instantly see the impact of a change in project scope or resources. If you're interested in more information on this imperative or any of the other 5 ALM imperatives, please be sure to visit us on Jazz.net.